What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Google Pixel 6a. Now, what you see right here is the Google Pixel 6 Pro, and I also have images of the Pixel 6a that were shared, and I'll be leaving their credits. You'll see it on screen as well. And I'm going to just talk about the Pixel 6a because it's more or so the budget version of the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro, and I think that's a good thing. But before I do begin, I'd really appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up and turn on the bell notifications, as it does help out the YouTube algorithm and will help push my content out to more people. Anyway, let's dive right in. So before I get things started and talk about the Pixel 6a, for reference, this is the Pixel 4a. This is Google's 2020 budget flagship. This was $349 when it first came out. This is a Pixel 4a, comes with a 5.8-inch display, and this is their budget flagship, or their mid-range. Let's put it that way. It's not a budget flagship. It's a mid-range. I do apologize. This comes with a 6.2-inch display. This is $449, so it's definitely larger than the Pixel 4a, but you can tell that there's a difference in size. Now we have right here the Pixel 6 series, and obviously in 2022 we're going to be getting the Pixel 6a, and actually it's going to be looking very similar to the 6 and the 6 Pro, and I don't have the Pixel 6 on hand for this video. But I'm going to be putting up pictures right now. If you look at the Pixel 6a, it looks very reminiscent of the whole redesign, the overhaul with the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro series. But we don't get a headphone jack, and that's the first for an A series. With the 3A in 2019, we got the headphone jack. With the 4A, we got a headphone jack. With the 5A, we got a headphone jack. But we won't be getting that with the Pixel 6a series, from what it looks like with these leaks of the design for the 6a. So if you're looking for a headphone jack and you're waiting for the Pixel 6a, you might not be in luck. You might have to go for the Pixel 5a or even the Pixel 4a. Now, we also did get some other specs that did come out. We don't have everything confirmed as of right now, but I want to touch base on the camera. So it looks like we won't be having the same main 48 megapixel camera that's all new in the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. We're going to be having the 12.2-inch megapixel Sony IMX363. This is pretty much the same camera sensor that's found in every single Google phone from the Pixel 3 through the Pixel 5a. Now, by all means, it's not a bad camera. It really isn't. It's a good camera, but it's older hardware, which means you are going to see its differences when you compare it with newer hardware found in like something like the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. Now, beyond that, everything else is really more so the same. You aren't going to be getting 3 camera lenses like the 6 Pro. It's going to be a wide and ultra wide on the Pixel 6a. As when we look at the front camera, it looks like the Pixel 6a selfies are going to come with the same 8 megapixel IMX355 found on the smaller Pixel 6, so not the one on the Pixel 6 Pro. So looking like it's going to be this, we're going to get a 12.2 megapixel primary, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and an 8 megapixel front facing camera. Honestly, that's a good setup. That's fine. It looks like looking at the Pixel 6 and comparing it with the 6a, we're just getting a decrease in the camera quality, but it's still a Pixel. It's going to be great because of that software optimization. So before we heard about the Pixel 6a shipping with the Snapdragon 778 5G chipset, but now recent rumors are stating that we're going to be getting the same chip found in the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, and they're going to implement it in the Pixel 6a, and that's going to be Google Tensor, their in-house silicon. In-house Google silicon, they're going to be shipping that with the Google Pixel 6a. That's a plus. That's a huge plus. I like the way that Google is going. They're really taking control of both the hardware and the software. So if you do that, Google, for the Pixel 6a, good job. Seriously, good job. And Pixel 6a, I believe, is going to offer pretty much the same Tensor-powered features. I don't think they're going to have any drawbacks with the Tensor chip. So like Google's Assistant voice typing, live HDR, and on-device translations, we'll be getting that with the Pixel 6a. Now, we don't really know too much else. We don't know how many gigs of RAM or how much storage. But what what my personal opinion and thoughts is probably going to be, since they're going to keep this as their mid-range, they'll probably continue with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. But they might change things up. They might throw in 8 gigs of RAM and 120 gigs of storage. I just don't know. Those have not been really truly confirmed as of yet. What markets it's going to be released, we don't know that too much either. I think the Pixel 4a was the perfect size and the perfect budget smartphone for $350, and the Pixel 6a, I mean, for them to lower it as an A device series and ship it with a cheaper price, I'm assuming, I'm not sure, that they're going to release the 6a design in a plastic build. Like I said, that part has not, truly been 100% been confirmed. That's just what I'm thinking, what they're going to do with the A series to keep costs down. They're obviously going to cut some corners from camera, from display, and from the design build. I don't think they're going to go all glass front and back and include wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. So really do keep that in mind with the Pixel 6a. Now, when is it going to come out? I don't know. The Pixel 4a was delayed multiple times because of the ongoing situations in 2020. The Pixel 5a also, was rumored for many, many months, and this finally came out in August. The Pixel 4a also came out beginning of August. So we might get the Pixel 6a in August. We might get it earlier. We just don't know. The Pixel 3a came out in May of 2019, and then we saw almost a year and 3 months until the 4a came out, and then a year until the Pixel 5a came out. So we might wait until August. We might see it in May of 2021. We don't know, but I will be keeping you guys updated on more specs and when release dates and which markets it's going to be released to. I'll keep you guys updated for those. But I hope you guys did enjoy this quick update on the Pixel 6a. I'm super excited because I've really been enjoying these Pixel devices. I have been enjoying all of them, from the Pixel 4a, 5a, and now the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. They're amazing devices. The new 6 series, 6 and 6 Pro have really changed the game for Google. I think they really nailed it this year, and they should just continue and work on top of some of the things that they might have missed out, whether it's battery life or whether it's just some bugs maybe found in software and whatnot. As long as they continue to improve, they're really on the right track, if you ask me. But that's been it. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot, and it does help my content get pushed out to more people. It really does mean a lot. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.